Lag B'Omer is one of those days where no Jew will be left behind. And Reb Shimon Bar Yochai is lakoil for every single person in the world, regardless of where he is. You see it all over. Everybody is connecting to that fire and connecting to that flame and to the esoteric teachings of the Torah and Chassidus and Kabbalah. Why? And the Gemara tells us that the defining moment of Reb Shimon Bar Yochai was when he saw this Yidel running with two Hadassim. And he asked, what is that? One for Zocher, one for Shomer, and suddenly something clicked and it changed. You know what changed? Said the Chassidic masters. When he was in that cave, he was connected to Hashem in ways that only an esoteric, a great tzaddik can be, and he destroyed the whole world around him. It didn't exist. But then he realized that there's something missing. I could never bring Hadassim to my lover. I was never separated from her. There was never this connection that I can reconnect. And then he chapped that no matter which Yid exists in the world, you can always bring Hadassim. No matter how far you are, but you have the Hadassim. Shabbos is coming. Let's prepare for Lag B'Omer. Let's bring some Hadassim today.
Today is for today. Yesterday was another day, and we don't know